Welcome to the world of stock trading, a world where prices fluctuate every day. But what is the ideal situation for a healthy bull market? Let's find out. The ideal situation for a healthy bull market occurs when volume moves up as the bull market expands. Prices go up and so does the volume. But what happens when prices go down? Prices do not continually go up every trading session, even in the most bullish environment. There are always adverse price moves against the direction of the major trend. But what is important to note is the volume during these price down days. If there was no urgency created in a market on a price sell-off, what type of volume would be expected on the price down day? It would decline. Monitoring volume to identify price moves as counter-trend is important. Low volume on price down days is telling the astute trader that there is no urgency on the part of the longs to close out their positions. Thank you for watching and happy trading.